EasySet Foundations enable rapid, low-cost installation of EasyStreet Systems small cell towers in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Locate and dig. Use a walk-behind skidder or bobcat and standard earth auger. Step 2. Set and level with an EasyStreet set pin designed for your soil conditions. Step 3. Mix and pour using rapid set construction backfill foam. Step 4. Hoist and connect. The lightweight tower goes up easily with a 2 or 3 person crew and small hoist, fastens with a 4-bolt connection and standard hardware, and is designed with access points for utility and fiber connectivity. The result? EasyStreet's foundation and tower is faster and easier to install, with minimal traffic and site disruption. See more at EasyStreetSystems.com.